Do you want to know how you can download Photodirector on your phone? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Photodirector on your Android device. Go ahead and go to your Play Store, and on the top hand side you can see search bar. Go ahead and click on the search bar and then search for Photodirector. Now tap on Photodirector and then click install. Wait for a while, and in a while you can notice that Photodirector will be downloaded on your phone, and shortly after it will be installed. You can start editing photos through Photodirector now. I hope this video about how you can download and install Photodirector on your Android device was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.